Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to send WhatsApp message without saving mobile number in your mobile. Yes, we can send a message without saving their mobile number. We can able to send the image or any other text message for emergency. So you don't want to save the number, anonymous number, you can give the message to them without saving their number. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notifications. In your mobile, if you want to save your contacts, just go to contacts and you can save a new contacts. Yes, this is a basic format. You can save your new contact and you can send the WhatsApp message. For example, in WhatsApp, I'm going to create a new contact, means I can click new contacts and I can create a name, anonymous name, and I can send the message without saving number, mobile number. How to send the message to the anonymous people? Yes, just browse in your Google browser. On top, just type WA WhatsApp.me, so WhatsApp me slash, and where you are going to send. For India means the 91 is a number, so just click +91 is a country code. So whatever country code you want, you can send and give the number. So once you type share on WhatsApp, just press, so automatically it will direct you to the chat on WhatsApp with this number. So continue to chat, automatically it will direct you to the WhatsApp. So without saving any numbers, you can send the message to them. Yes, you can click hi, and so you can give whatever information to them, you can send the message to them. So this is an easy step. Without saving their number, you can send the message to the people, anonymous people. If you want to give the emergency messages, or if you want to give some other class and materials, means you can share without any saving numbers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.